Hello mga kaserbisyo, alam mo ba na mas pinalevel up na ang pagkakakitaan at serbisyo ng mga neopreneurs at service providers? Yes, dahil sa partnership ng Up Your Serbisyo at Globe Telecom. Ngayon, hindi lang mga services ng mga skilled workers ang pwede natin i-market, kundi mas marami na tayong oportunidad ang pwedeng i-offer sa platform.
Bagong lahat, I would like to congratulate AYS for becoming our partner for the prepaid loading and the Globe Fiber Prepaid in Globe. We are very happy that finally we were able to sign the contract with you guys. So we are very excited to continue this partnership with you and mag-prosper. We really look forward to making this partnership a success. So again, thank you so much to the entire AYS group, and we'll be working with you closely para to make this partnership a success. Thank you.
Para sa bawat pamilya, empleyado, estudyante, o negosyo na laging nakakonect, nandito ang Up Your Serbisyo para i-alay ang pinaka-practical na solusyon. Kaya kung ready ka na maging parte ng partnership na ito at mag-level up ang pagkakakitaan mo, i-message mo lang ako dito sa page para mag-guide kita kung paano ka maging neopreneur.
Lahat ng hanap mo sagot, Up Your Serbisyo.